We get a lot of our propane at Costco, and I have had so many people ask me, how do you get propane at Costco? Where do you pay? Who's got it? Which Costco has it? Which one doesn't? We're going to show you all of that today. Let's go get some gas. Go to their website. I go to find a warehouse. I can type in a city, state, or zip. We're going to be coming down I-17, and so this store right here is a perfect store along our route. We have a gas station that has regular, premium, and diesel gas. We have a tire service center, and here are the hours of that. Over here under department and specialty items, I can see that they have propane. So the odds are I can get propane during the time that the tire service center is open, but I'm gonna call this store just to make sure that I have all the details correct and that the information on the website is current. Once you get to the Costco parking lot, just look around. You're gonna see the propane station, and a really good sign is you're gonna see some big motorhome or something like that that's filling up with gas, just like this one here. Take your tank empty, drop it off at the station, and they fill it up. While you're standing there, then they give you a receipt. You take the receipt in and you pay for it. But in the meantime, if you want to go wash your truck, if you want to do a little shopping, you can pay for everything all at once. Today's price is $2.10 a gallon, pretty cheap. And there's a little button right here, and you just call the attendant, let them know you're here. If your tank is out and expired, Costco will not fill it. The reason that they only get filled to 80% is because
you want it to have room to expand.
So it doesn't explode.
Exactly. You're pretty much empty.
So now all we're going to do is wait for a receipt to come so that we can go inside and pay for it.
You're going to pick it up over here. Yeah?
Right over here in the tire center is where we pick it up. We're ready for checkout. I'm just going to give them my receipt for my propane in addition to all the stuff that I'm buying for groceries. And we're going to check out and then pick up our tank. This was the receipt that we picked up when we dropped off our propane tank, and it shows how many gallons we have. It showed up. We took this receipt in and we paid for it. You can see it as a line item on our entire receipt for everything we bought inside the store. Now we're going to go pick up the tank.